want die for Buhari matter. Nigerians wey want die for Buhari matter. When they see fire brigade, they see fire for up. You see how civilized world. May I tell you how many fire brigade wey dey this place now? Because una no get sense, una no know government wey una dey vote for. You see fire brigade, you see fire service, you see fire for up. Because una no get sense. If una want vote, una dey vote nonsense. You see huh? This one na money oh. That fire dey burn so you see huh? See people. This morning now this one dey happen so. Fire brigade wey dey here don pass 20. See huh? See wetin government money fit do for country without no fear of fever. Single person no go even die. You dey see huh? You see fire service wey dey around, hand blast, everything dey around. You dey see huh? See work wey they do, civilized world. This one na Europe. You dey see how you see people say they feel a lot because they know they are doing their job. They know they will finish it within period of time. You see how they see fire service everywhere. You dey see how as fire service dey na so ambulance dey. You see how this house where they burn so it never reach 3 months where they build house. Where they build this mansion, where they see so. This skyscraper where they see so. Never reach 3 months where they build them. See huh? Did they see them so? They see huh? They see huh? You see fire service? You see huh? You see equipment? Yeah, here in Nigeria where we come from. You see another one don't come? Yeah, country where we come, so una don't see how they see what they happen. This one this morning, if you check the time, you're going to see the time what they happen. It's 15 minutes after 10 this morning now. Like this one they happen for Europe. Then they happen. You see fire service, you see good government, you see fire service, it don't stop anything, made they not work for today. See bus is still working, the road, the traffic, everything is still working fine. You see what they go on. You see fire service everywhere. See different type from different place. See they not go to say two don't ferry them main one not go again. See you see how they are prepared. You see them, they want to go inside the place now. They want to go inside the fire. Not be say they want to go look. You see huh? They see equipment. This is the work of good government. Nobody to blame. They don't blame anybody. They do their work. They do their things their own way. You see huh? These are people that are willing to serve their country. They will. Day in, day out, they are willing to serve their country. Day in, day out. You see equipment. You see, I know they'll give person money, make it go buy equipment, or he go chop and use and build house. As if he want to carry the house, follow body if he die. You see, you see work. You see how people are working. You see fire service. You see people. You see people. It doesn't stop anything. People still go to their various homes. You see how it's going? Dirty Buhari, dirty Atiku. Una not get brain. As it be so now, one worship Buhari forever. Make una dey worship him. Una one worship Buhari forever. Make una worship him. See how they see fire. See how this is Europe. Just 20 minutes after 10, huh? See what is going on? Beg, go my work. See the government that care about its people. See equipment. That is the handwork of a good government. That is the handwork of a good governor. That is the handwork of a good chairman, a good representative, a good senator, a good government, a good local government chairman. That is their handwork. You see this place here, this building, you see, it's a secretariat. You see how it goes? So I must tell you, whatever thing you are doing in your country, Nigeria, you are not doing it for anybody. If you are destroying it, you would destroy it for the future of your children. You would destroy it for the generation of your children. If your children is being born in America because of that one, you want to destroy Nigeria, no problem. A time will come. There will be something that will also take your grandchildren to Africa. Then something will be revealed today that people like this destroy the country. You see everywhere, very neat. This is Europe. Oh. You see old woman? You see this old woman that is coming? You see her? She's okay. You see her? She's okay. Very beautiful. Living a good life. You see her? You see? He has no problem with anybody. He has no problem with the government. He has no problem with his family. He has no problem with nobody. He's just too okay. So I tell you, Nigerians, you would have gone there to vote Buhari. It's your cup of tea. You would have gone there. You would have gone there to vote for Atiku. It's your loaf of bread. Nobody's business. But whatsoever thing you see in these 4 years that is coming up, starting from today, Monday, you face it, eh? You are going to face it. I just show you what happened in Europe this morning, today, Monday, 25th of February, 2019. You see how the kind of equipment they have for fire service. Look at the way they are working. They are so happy to work. Not to loot money to go and build one kangaroo house. House that your family will not even stay. You have 30 houses, you have 50 houses, you have 500 houses, you have mansions, you have mansions. How many are you going to carry to your grave? Nigerians, I pity you now. I pity you now. I'm on my way to work. As you can see, I'm close to my work. Some other time again, learn to be a good government, Mr. Governor. Governor swear, if you be president, president where, if you be police where no, they take bribe. And so it go. Thank you very much. Some other time again.